Hello, I guess from live. Wait. uh, okay, I guess I'm audible. Hello, I guess from live. Wait. Uh, okay, I guess I'm audible. Hello, I guess from live. Wait. Okay, let's go. Hell yeah. Okay, hello, hello. Bro, am I audible? I don't know why. How do I verify this? Why? Okay, I guess I am audible. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. What's up, what's up? Uh, uh, mic volume. Oh, wait. Hello, hello, hello. अभी better है क्या? Wait. I hope अभी, I guess अभी सही होगा. Hello, hello, hello. अभी better है क्या? Wait. I hope अभी, I guess अभी सही होगा. Okay, I guess थोड़ी crackling है. I don't know भाई mic का क्या सीन है. हम्म, 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 हम्म. OBS में कुछ तो होता है ना बूस्ट करने का. आई डोंट नो. मे बी मैं डेस्कटॉप का कम कर दूँ तो इट माइट हेल्प. What's up? I guess अब hopefully सही आ रही हो. Uh, कितना tough है just to figure out what's going on. Okay, by the way, yeah. What's up? I guess अब hopefully सही आ रही हो. Uh, कितना tough है just to figure out what's going on. Okay, by the way, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let me just open Unity. Not how, but this thing, and yeah. Okay. Hello everyone. Okay, first let me start by introducing myself. Uh, my name is Raaavula. Oh damn. Damn. Yep. Okay. Yeah, my name is Raaavula. I'm an indie game developer, and currently I'm working on this project. It's called Corruption.exe. So basically, I made this game for a game jam back in January this year, and I'm remaking it into a fully published browser game. Like I'm trying to make it. Let's see uh, what we can do out of it. Basically, the gameplay loop is simple. You are a virus inside a computer system. You have to infect the system, kill antiviruses, uh, survive incoming waves of antiviruses, and yeah. So right now I have this gameplay where I have made the main virus character, one antivirus character, and the basic melee effect, attack effect, whatever we say this. I don't know what exactly are we supposed to say this, but yeah. For now, I only have this, and by the end of this live stream, uh, I hope by the end of this live stream we'll have a playable, you know, game, like a playable loop at least. Right now, you can see in the console, player score is being printed and player health too. If these enemies are colliding with the player, he gets damage, but there is no loop right now, so yeah, we gotta fix this. Oh, thank you, Mr. Bonga. I don't know, crazy. Okay. Yeah, let's actually start. I don't know where exactly to start with, but yeah, I guess we can plan it out, right? I don't know. I only have this notebook right now on my around my table, so yeah, I'll use this. I just like to I just prefer writing all the tasks down, all the ideas on a paper, and then working on it. It like gives me a bit of more clarity on what exactly I have to do. Yeah, let's go. Let me just explain you the code structure. फटाफट से. So basically, Uh, Here I have the aim script, uh, the script by which the character, our main character, is aiming. There is the attack script, kinda low quality code, but as long as it's working, I'm fine with it. There is the player controller. The movement of the player is managed over here, and the script will manage the health and score of our player. There is a miscellaneous script which destroys the the game object it is attached to after whatever time you give it. This is a spawner for the enemies. The script to spawn the enemies. Basically, I'm running a coroutine after every time between spawn, and it just instantiate the enemies on fixed places. Here I have the enemy manager or antivirus manager, which is managing the collision with the player or with the melee attack. And this is the movement. It's pretty basic. It finds the player transform with the tag player and then just follows it. Yeah, that's all. It's basic right now, but yeah, we'll see. Let's see what we can actually make out of this. Melee attack, and this is the movement. It's pretty basic. Okay, I was just checking am I audible or not. I am. Let me just coming back to Unity. Let me just quickly switch back to Unity. Yep. I should just go with the display capture thing. Okay, so I guess first thing we should do is create a core game loop, meaning we can start the game, we can end the game. Like obviously, if the player health reaches 0, the game will end and we can restart the game. Pretty basic loop. Let's start by building that, then we'll go to create maybe few more enemy sprites. Let's start. I don't know. What's up, gang? Oh, crazy gang. What's up? आप बताओ यार. I recently used Unreal and I can say creating UI in Unity is way easier. Like it's way too easy when I compare it to Unreal. I even sometimes feel even to Godot working with Unity is more polished than Godot and more simpler than Unreal. If I say so, it's cool. Unity is like holding up good lately. By the way, I'm using the 2022 version of Unity LTS. Like I just find it more convenient for my work, for the projects I'm working on. I don't felt like switching to Unity 6 till now, so yeah. If I ever feel like switching to Unity 6, we can, but for now it's catching up pretty good, so yep. when the player health reaches zero, I want to set the game state to like game over or something. For now, I'll just activate a game over menu and then pause the time, give a restart button, and yeah, for now let's do that only. We can obviously do this if player health reaches zero, or if player health is less than zero, then we'll just do it time dot. I don't know how to call time frame. I guess like this equals to zero something. Okay. Time doesn't contain. I guess it was time frame. I don't know. Or time dot time scale. I guess. Okay, never mind. I'll have to Google it up. Not using. Oh, it's time with a small t. Okay. Yeah, my bad. Not using a code completion, like a code completion extension is kinda tough for me. Like I'm kinda bad with syntax and all. We'll just create a game object. And let's create a bool too, just for maybe we can use it somewhere. Game over. Oh. I'll create a UI manager for the basic UI buttons right now. I'll just have a restart button. We'll do using Unity engine dot scene management and scene manager dot load scene. I guess I've named the scene as main. Oh, it's sample scene. My bad. I haven't named the scene yet. Okay, we go this and let me just change this to game over UI. I'll just change the text to wow. Then we'll create a simple button, call it restart button, place it over here and I'll just add the where I added the game manager script. So I'll just create an empty game object game manager and let's go with UI manager 2. The game over UI is over there and restart button. it? My bad. And one last thing I'll do is in game manager. In start, I will hide the game over menu. And over here I'll menu dot set active is true. And when I do restart, I will just put the time scale back to 1. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Hopefully this works. I don't know. It should work actually. Thank you to everyone who have joined the stream till now. Yeah, pretty cool to be honest. Okay, let's try. If I start the game, this menu should hide. Yep, game starts, and now if my health reaches 0, so by default the player has a health of 100. Yeah. Now it's 4, and if I do this, yeah, you died. And if I press restart, okay, I can move this, but yep, there's some issue. So the time is still freeze. So I guess if I call this after restarting, it should work now. I don't know. Let's see. I'll set the health to 10 for now. I'll change it later on. Just for the testing purpose, let's set it to 10. Okay, so the problem is okay, I can do one thing, that is let's do player manager dot player health, and let's set it to 10, and when I press this, if I press this, so it might work now. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it works now. Pretty cool, to be honest. Let's see how long can I survive. Okay. Let's go. Now we have our game over loop or whatever ready. We can start the game, we can end the game. I'm kinda unsure about how to. Like, I'm kinda unsure how to end the game. I don't know. Should I add a timer or should I just keep it endless? That's something I want to figure out. Like, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna, like, what approach I'll be going with, but yeah, let's see. We'll try to figure it out. Maybe not today, maybe in future, but let's see what we can do for now. Uh, I want to add a slight, cooldown when I hit an enemy. I can do that by player attack. Uh, Maybe Andy or his manager, right? Over here, if it's hit by the hitbox, we can we can do we can do a we can start a core routine. Start. I'm pretty bad with pause game screen. Maybe I'm pretty bad with spellings. I don't know if coroutine stands for this, and then I can just do this enumerator for the game screen and wait for seconds is spelled like this. 1F, like, I guess it works for now. I'll do this time dot time scale equals to 0.1f, and then we can set the time back to 1. uh, I guess it should work. I mean, the logic is correct, so it should work. Yeah, wait, I do remember. I guess if I pause the time, I can't use wait for seconds. uh, I have to use something like, I don't remember exactly. It was like wait for system seconds or something. I'll have to see. But yeah, let me just check. Yeah, okay. So we have a problem. Let's see online. Wait for system seconds. Unity. So, I think around the first situation allows. Oh yeah, it was wait for seconds real time. Okay, yep, it will work, I guess. Hmm. Right. Okay, it doesn't. Uh, so it's pausing over here. Time dot time scale 0. Okay, I guess if I set time dot time scale to 0, this thing won't call. And if I do this, will it work now? I don't know why. I'm pretty bad with C sub, I guess. I don't know. When this game is releasing, I don't. know exactly when will this game release, but yeah, let's see. I'm 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 thinking to release this within this month only. I'll try to release this before 15th of May or 20th of May. But let's see. Uh, I'll try my best to release this within this month. It's kinda tough to be honest. Working on this along with Point Order. Yeah, Point Order has been a little overwhelming for me. I don't actually have clear plan or goal maybe a clear plan with that project, so I'm kinda uh, stuck in the situation. Okay, I don't know what exactly is wrong over here. uh, I'm calling the coroutine. The coroutine is being called, the time is being okay. Let's do one thing. Let me just debug log coroutine executed. I just want to see if my coroutine is being executed. If it is being executed, then it should work. I guess it wasn't wait for seconds real time. I have to search it up. I have worked with it once, but I remember I faced the exact same problem when I went online to uh, when I was working with something like this, and yeah, uh, pause game screen. Yeah, it will return. It will wait. It doesn't wait for seconds real time doesn't work. So we'll have to see. Mm, Following the coroutine and want to set the time scale to one again after waiting for some time. Um, okay, we are supposed to use wait for seconds real time only, but I don't know then why uh, this won't help. Let's just pause the game inside the coroutine itself. I will debug dot log uh, game paused and game resumed. Okay, uh, it's compiled now. Let's give it a shot once again. I don't know, I haven't actually changed anything, but if it works, it's nice. The game is paused and then it's it's not working. If I yield return new, wait for seconds, real time, 0.1f. Should I set it to 0.5f? Is it because of the time? If I do 1f, it won't work still. It's still not working if I'm doing this. I don't know, but it's a logic error or something. I don't see any logic error over here. You can see I'm setting the time to 0 and then I'm waiting for some seconds and I'm setting the time to 1 again. This is being executed, but this is not. Now if I just do this, maybe it'll work. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. The game is paused and then it just pauses indefinitely, right? I don't know how to. It told me to do this yield return new. It told me to use wait for seconds real time, and that's what I'm using. Uh, well, let's see. Physics input when the time equal to 0, physics update stops running entirely. If you need to retake inputs or move UI during this pause, ensure your logic is in update and uses time dot unskilled at the time. Game object state ensure the game object running the code routine is not disabled while waiting. If the object deactivate, the code routine stops and will never reach. It is. Oh, it is not. It destroy. Okay, I got it. I got it. It's a logic error. So you see, the game object is being destroyed over here. I guess that is the problem. The coroutine doesn't get called over here. If I do this, if I destroy the game object over here, do 0.1 f, and now it will work. Now it will work. I know. It's so stupid. By see, it works now. Oh, it works. It works. It works. 3. Huh? Oh, shit. I did something wrong again. So it's working right. As long as it's working now, I'm not doing anything to it, you know. Let me just turn on some music. Okay, it's working. We can do one thing. It would be uh, game object dot get component. It would be, which component am I looking for? It's on. I've created a prefab over here. I'll go with sprite renderer. How do we write sprite renderer? It's like this, right? Renderer, yeah. Dot is activity dot set activity, right? Set active false. I don't know why. I feel like I'm working with Unity after so long. Error invalid expression term. Oh, I don't have to write this, I guess. Uh, 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 no, 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 no. Okay, I'll have to Google again. Hello, hello. Is my stream paused? Wait, it's not. It's working, right? How do I boost my this thing? Audio. I have a audio card. Wait, I'll use it instead. I don't know where it is. It was somewhere over here only. Yeah, I found it. Wait, give me a minute, right? Okay. Hopefully my mic is working better now. I'll have to check it once. Give me a minute, right? Okay. Hopefully my mic is working better now. I'll have to check it once. Give me a minute, right? Yep. Hello. Okay. Hopefully my mic is working better now. I'll have to check it once. Give me a minute, right? Yep. Hello. Yep. Hello. Okay. Hello. 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 Okay. Hello. 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 Yeah, it's working better, right? It's better now, I guess. Yeah, it's working. Yep, 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 yep. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go. Now, game object. I want to like do this. Yeah. Wait. We'll do this. Yeah. We can do this. Sprite render equals to S, and I just copy pasted it as renderer, let's call it, and then I can do is like with rigid bodies we do is active something, right? Sprite renderer dot, but with for uh, other components I guess we can do this. I guess we can do this with sprite renderer. Oh hell yeah, no we can't. Sprite renderer does not contain definition for is it is active? Bruh, I'm so bad at Go look. Bruh. Sprite renderer dot set active unity. Uh, dot enabled. Okay, I'm so bad. Why? Dot enabled. Now what I have to equal do this to equal. Bruh. I'm down. Okay, never mind. Let's play some music. Now it will work perfectly. All I have to do is hit an enemy, it will pause for a bit, and then yeah, crazy. It feels so much snappier and so much better. It feels so much better just by adding a slight delay, just by adding a slight pause when you hit an enemy. It like gives you a sense of, how do I say it, like it makes you actually feel like uh, you are hitting something, like how do I explain this? It's it's so feel kind of thing. I can't explain you the feel. It's just better. Yeah, it's just better. It's way better, to be honest. uh there's a bug, I guess. uh the uh I don't know what's exactly going on over here. Why did it pause like this and just, I don't know at which state it is. It paused the game. Uh, Let me just see. I had health of player health. You know, uh, the player got hit. Okay, something like when the trigger detected when the enemy collided with both the hitbox and the player. Uh, it went to something like this because it just uh, destroyed the game object. So to fix this, uh, for now I can do exactly the same thing. I will call this same coroutine after if the player is hit. It will do the exact same thing. Yeah, let's test it out. Well, it should work now. If I hit an object, it works, and if it hit me, it works. If I do this, yeah, it's working now. And logically, the bug should not exist anymore. I don't know. Logically, it shouldn't, but yeah, I can't see that again. I'll have to play for a while to find it out. Yeah, it works, it works, it works. Now, I guess let's add some screen shake. Screen shakes are cool. Okay, it's working. It's working pretty well, to be honest. Now, let's work on some screen shake. Hmm. I guess I'll just remove the cam for now. My mobile is actually not charged, my phone, and I was using it as the webcam, so yeah, I won't be able to do it anymore, guys. You'll like, yeah, it wasn't adding any value to the stream. So I'll I've added an asset, an external asset. It's smooth camera shaker by First Gear Games. It's available on Unity Asset Store for free. You can check it out. It's an easy way to add screen shake to your game. Kinda cool. It's called Smooth Camera Shaker or Smooth Camera Shake by First Gear Games. This one right here. Confirm. I don't know. It should display the YT video, right? Yes.
Events. Develop it may serve.
Okay. I don't exactly remember how to use this. I've used it a few times. It's something like I want to use it when over here, I guess. over here I'll go with using first your games dot smooth camera shaker. I don't know, it was like fgg dot smooth camera shaker. How do I call this? I'll have to smooth. I kinda hated when he has added a way to how to put this. So we have to first gear games dot smooth camera shaker. Yes, I have to give reference to the public fake data. It's capital fake. It's like this, yeah, and screen fake data. I'll do this, and if it collides with the player, I'll do this with camera fake handler dot fake, and it's have to pass the fake data, and yeah, have to yep, that's pretty much all uh, for the screen take. Now if I go over here, I'll create a play. Oh, I've created fake data. Now the only thing I have to do is go to prefab and devices. I'll lock this over here. Effects, I created this. Let me just hello what? That's so stupid. It's antivirus manager, right? It's the antivirus manager. Then I'll added something wrong. I don't know. Public int hello int equals 3. What is this? Oh, I guess it's a bug or something, right? If I go like this and again, it's not showing over here. If I add it over here, it's not working. Wow, it's so stupid, to be honest. I don't know why. Today, a few hours back, maybe like around 20-30 minutes ago, I was ranting about how good the Unity 2022 is, and now it's using physical games or smooth camera 6 chart cover policy. Not bro. What am I doing exactly, dude? That's so stupid. I'll do this and paste it over here. Why is it giving me these kind of errors? Camera shake handler. Is there any camera shaker handler? Okay, my bad. It's camera shaker handler. I'm using Firstgo Games. The type for name says fake data could not be found. Am I doing any other spelling error? It does work. Oh, yes, I guess it over here. Yeah. I'm so sleepy. Why? I'm doing such. Now, if I go to, yeah, I can attach the player receives shake effect, right? If I go over here to listen to 1.2.2 and then the magnitude to 0.75, I guess. I'll just press start and hope for it to work. Okay, it doesn't. Is it because of the values? If I do the magnitude to 1, I don't think it's because it's not showing at all, right? Yeah. So we can do one thing, that is, let me just call it over here. Now I guess it will work. Okay, I guess I remember now. I have to add the shaker to the camera. Right, it's, what is it? Camera shaker, right? And object shaker. Yeah, I have to add these two and now it will work. Yeah, it does. Yep, it works. Damn, it looks kinda sick already. Sick. Hell nah. Kataka. Oh, it looks sick. I'll just uh, change the values of the screen tick data so that it just doesn't feel nauseous. So right now I guess it will to some players, but yeah, it's cool. I guess let's 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 keep this for today. I'll probably go live tomorrow also, same time. Uh, yeah, we did around an hour long live stream, which is like cool enough. But yep, I'll just end the stream now. Uh, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I go live, or maybe the day after tomorrow whenever I go live next. Yeah, thanks for thanks to everyone who joined this. Uh, yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for joining in. I hope you have a good day. You have a good night. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Good night, everyone. See you guys in the next stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like the stream. Drop your thoughts and reviews in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.